I think the session is started recording. So let us discuss about the Microsoft Azure Architecture Cloud Technical Architect, key roles and responsibilities. Solution or technical architecture in the cloud for infrastructure migration, big data or analytics or information analysis or database management in the cloud, IoT, event-driven or microservices in the cloud. Total experience with private public cloud architectures and migration considerations, extensive hands-on experience, meeting in from migration, and data processing using Azure services, network, Windows or Linux, virtual machines, containers, storage, ELB, autoscaling, Azure functions, serverless architecture, ARM templates, Azure SQL DB, or Data Factory, Azure Stream Analytics, Azure Analysis Services must experience. So these are some of the key roles and responsibilities that Azure architecture should possess. And the key knowledge and skills and requirements. Leadership skills be able to inspire others and persuade. Excellent technical architecture skills and enabling the creation of future-proof complex global solutions. Excellent interpersonal communication and organizational skills that are required to operate as a leading member of global distributed teams that deliver quality services and solutions. Ability to rapidly gain knowledge of the organizational structure of the firm to facilitate work with groups outside of the immediate technical team. Knowledge and experience in IT methodologies and life cycles that will be used. Familiar with solution implementation or management services or operations management. Maintains close awareness of new and emerging technologies and the potential application for service offerings and products. Supervision responsibilities. This will be a leadership position with one or more architects reporting to him or her in different locations. Other requirements: overtime and vacation scheduling are dependent upon team priorities and may change during the course of a year. Position may be eligible for alternative work locations and dependent upon team dynamics. Must be able to communicate fluently in English, both written and verbal. Position requires accurate and timely tracking of time spent working on projects. Required qualifications: minimum of 5 years leading teams, bachelor's degree or equivalents, minimum of 15 plus years in a solution architect role, using service and hosting solutions such as private or public cloud, IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS platforms. Experience in architecting and designing and technical solutions for Microsoft-centric solutions based on industry standards using Azure. Experience with any of the following: O365, Azure, Azure Stack, Azure AD. Experience with claims-based authentication, MFA and RBAC. Knowledge of cloud security controls, including tenant isolation, encryption at rest, encryption in transit, key management, vulnerability assessment, application firewalls, SIM, etc. Experience building and supporting mission critical technology components with DR capabilities. Experience with multi-tier systems and service design and development for large enterprises. Extensive real-world experience designing technology components for enterprise solutions and defining solution architects and references architecture with a focus on cloud technologies. Fine, let's end this call for today here. Let us see how our quality of the voice is, and then we can continue further. Thank you.